Hi friends, once again welcome back in our educational YouTube channel, that is Milinda's Ideas. Friends, in previous lectures we are studying the application of XOR gate, that is control inverter, then Faraday checker, then half adder, and in this lecture we are going to study full adder. Now what is a full adder? So full adder is the circuit which is used to eliminate the drawback of half adder. Now what's the drawback of half adder? The half adder is a circuit which is used for addition of 2 bits. हे फक्त 2 bits addition आपण half adder ने करतो, and तो जो drawback that drawback can be eliminated by using the full adder circuit. So how will you define the full adder? So full adder is the circuit which is used for the addition of 3 bits. We have 3 bits as A, B and C. For the addition of that 3 bit, we have to use a circuit or use a device that is known as a full adder. So when we are going to add any numbers, any 2 numbers or any 3 numbers, the output is sum and carry. So in this case, the Boolean equation for sum is A XOR B XOR C because it is a 3 bit. A, B and C are the inputs. So what is the Boolean equation for sum? It is A XOR B XOR C. While the Boolean equation for carry is A dot B plus B dot C plus A dot C. हे तिन्ही बिट्स A dot C आलं पहिलं किंवा A dot B, B dot C and A dot C या 3 बिट्स जे आपल्या आउटपुट मिळाले आपल्याला त्या तिघांचं आपण ॲडिशन करतो. सो द Boolean equation for carry is A dot B plus B dot C plus A dot C. आता मित्रांनो आपल्याला ह्या दोन्ही इक्वेशन्स वरून एक गोष्ट क्लियर होते की टू असेंबल one thing is clear that to assemble the full adder circuit we require 3 bit XOR gate A XOR B, A XOR B XOR C. So A XOR B XOR C, so 3 bit XOR gate is required, or in some cases 2 bit XOR gate. मैं आपण जेव्हा पॅरिटी चेकर चेक केलं होतं त्या पॅरिटी चेकरमध्ये आपण 2 XOR घेतलेले A XOR B आउटपुट ऑफ फर्स्ट XOR आणि सेकंडचं आउटपुट आलं A XOR B XOR C. तसं जोडलं तरी चालेल किंवा if we have a 3 bit XOR gate we can easily connect the 3 bit XOR gate to get the output of sum. While to get the carry मी एक आपण 3 bit XOR gate घेतला आणि अजून काय लागतंय we require 3 2 bit AND gates. A dot B first AND gate, B dot C the second AND gate, and third that is A dot C. So A dot B one AND gate use, B dot C second AND gate use, and third that is A dot C. So 3 2 bit AND gates are required आणि त्या 3 2 bit AND gates चे आउटपुट जे त्याला आपल्याला ऍड करायचे and for that purpose we have to use 3 bit OR gate. So obviously to construct the full adder circuit we require 3 bit XOR gate, 3 2 bit AND gates and 1 3 bit OR gate. Now A, B and C are the inputs. The output of XOR gate that is A XOR B XOR C, while the output of first AND gate is A dot B, second maybe B dot C, third maybe A dot C. So A dot B, B dot C and A dot C are applied to the input terminals of OR gate whose output is equal to A dot B plus B dot C plus A dot C. That is output of that is equation of carry. आता मित्रांनो आपण केसेस स्टडी करूया. 3 इनपुट्स आहेत. When one of the input is low, when all 3 inputs are low, that is A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0. What will be the output? The output of XOR gate will be 0. Well, the output of OR gate will be 0. That means sum is 0 and carry will be 0. Next, when one of the input is high, when A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. One of the input is high. कुठलं एक इनपुट आपला हाय असेल तेव्हा काय झालं? The output of XOR gate becomes 1. का XORचं काय आपण डेफिनेशन म्हटलं होतं? It is a gate which gives output when the inputs are complement of each other. The output of this gate becomes high when the inputs are complements of each other. Input 0 0 1 म्हणजे एक तुमचं odd number of 1 आला, output हाय झालं. So 0 0 1 the output of XOR gate becomes 1. That means sum is 1. What about the carry? तिन्ही जे आपले अँड गेट्स आहेत त्या तिन्ही अँड गेटचं फक्त कुठल्या तरी दोन अँड गेटचे इनपुट्स आपलं 1 होणार आहे. आणि अँडला काय म्हटलं आपण, वेन ऑल टू इनपुट्स आर हाय द आउटपुट बिकम्स 1. इन दिस केस ओनली one input is high, hence the output of AND gate remains low. So output of OR gate is also low. That means carry will be 0. So when any one input is high, when any one input is high, sum goes to high level, carry still remains low. Next, when any two inputs are high, output of XOR gate, that is the sum, goes to low level. दोन इनपुट हाय झाले आपले, समजा आपण दोन्ही इनपुट एकत्र अप्लाय केले 1 1 A XOR B XOR C. So 1 XOR 1 that is 0, 0 XOR 0 that is 0. So output of XOR gate is 0, it goes to low level, that means sum goes to low level. What about the carry? Now as the two inputs are high, the one of the AND gate both the inputs connected to the high logics. म्हणजे कोणत्या तरी एका अँड गेटचे दोन इनपुट तुमचे हाय असणार आहेत ऍटलिस्ट. देअरफॉर आउटपुट ऑफ दॅट गेट गोज टू हाय लेवल, हेन्स द आउटपुट ऑफ ऑर गेट गोज टू हाय लेवल. दॅट मीन्स कॅरी गोज टू हाय लेवल, सम नाउ ड्रॉप्स टू लो लेवल. सो वेन एनी टू इनपुट्स आर हाय, सम गोज टू लो लेवल, कॅरी गोज टू हाय लेवल. सो वी आर गेटिंग आउटपुट 1 0, कॅरी 1, सम 0. When all three inputs are high, the output of XOR gate goes to high level because there are odd number of ones. 1 XOR 1 that is 0, 0 XOR 1 can A XOR B XOR C. 1 A suppose 1 है, B 1 है, so 1 XOR 1 that is 0, 0 XOR 1 that will be 1. So output of XOR gate, that is sum, goes to high level. What about the carry? As all three inputs are high, the inputs applied to all these three AND gate goes to high level, hence the output of all three AND gate goes to high level. So obviously output of OR gate also goes to high level. That means carry becomes high. That means when all three inputs are high, the output of XOR gate, that is sum, goes to high level. Output of OR gate, that is carry, is also goes to high level. Means sum is high and carry is high. That is full adder. Now by using the half adder, the full adder can be easily constructed. The figure shows how the two half adder and how the OR gates are connected to get the output of full adder. So two half adders and one OR gate is used for the construction of full adder circuit. Now friends, we are going to work the truth table. A, B and C are the inputs, carry and sum are the outputs. When all three inputs are 0, that is A 0, B 0, C 0, the carry drops to low level, sum drops to low level. So sum and carry both are 0, result 0 0. When any one input is high, that is 0 0 1, or it may be 0 1 0, or it may be 1 0 0. So in these three cases, the output of XOR gate, that is sum, goes to high. That means sum 1, carry still remains low. When any two inputs are high, that is 0 1 0, 1 0 1 or 1 1 0, कुठली एक त्यातली केस असेल. In all these three cases, the output of XOR gate drops to low level, while the output of OR gate goes to high level. That means sum goes to low level, carry becomes high. And when all three inputs are high, A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1, when all these three inputs are high, the output of XOR gate, that is sum, goes to high level and carry also goes to high level. That is full adder, a circuit which is used for the addition of 3-bit binary numbers. So मित्रांनो, इथे आपलं full adder संपतंय. In next lecture, we are going to study the application of full adders. म्हणजे full adder आपण कुठे वापरतोय? For the addition of more number of bits, म्हणजे 4 bit असतील किंवा अजून आपण पुढे जसं आपण bits वाढत जाऊ. So to construct that circuits, we have to use full adder as well as a half adder. So friends, कीप वॉचिंग दिस चॅनल. बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा. वन्स अगेन सांगितल्याप्रमाणे कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट्स करा. चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करून ठेवा आणि तुमच्या मित्रांनाही सांगा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला. सो फ्रेंड्स, थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ. कीप वॉचिंग. टेक केअर. बाय. सी यू अगेन.